Hi guys, I'm Varun, and a few days back I did a cake recipe to show you guys how you can color your cakes naturally without using any kind of artificial colors. So again, I'm going to be doing another cake recipe to show that same thing again. We're going to be doing a beetroot cake that is going to have a custard center, and the cake is also going to be flavored with some rose syrup. So let's check out this recipe. There it was guys, my bright red cake that was colored naturally without any kind of artificial colors. For more such recipes, stay tuned to my channel.